Yo guys, what's up? Quick updates on Bitcoin, all right. So we've had quite some action again, swept last week's low, so gonna be giving my thoughts here and my game plans, right? So first thing I'm gonna do is mark out some key highs and key lows, okay? So as you guys know, that's something I use a lot in my trading, which is liquidity. Liquidity resting below key highs and key lows, which is basically where stops are resting, and it's gonna be a draw on price. Okay, so the first low that stands out here is gonna be definitely gonna be this one, right? So from this consolidation we pumped, then retested this with this key low, and then went for all-time highs, and we're approaching that low. Okay, then the second one is gonna be this one, of course. So after the all-time highs, the big nuke we got, the initial low was this one. So we swept this one and didn't quite make it to this one yet. Okay, so on the weekly, these are basically the only levels that I'm gonna mark out, and then on the daily, so yeah, the range that we've been trading in, right, was these lows here and then these highs here. On the 4-hour, you can take this high. Clean liquidity gonna be resting above there, but we just took some highs here locally, and this latest 4-hour candle is looking pretty ugly now. So what am I watching here? If we take a look at where the weekly open and daily open are resting, that's basically where price is right now. If we start closing below those, okay, then I think we'll start bleeding down again. And the scenario I would be waiting for would be a bleed all the way back towards Monday low, a sweep of Monday low, okay, which is also the weekly low, and that would also mean that we would take out this key low, okay, so September low. So if we do that and reclaim Monday low, that's where I'll be looking for longs, invalidation below the low, and then target the highs up here, and then into higher prices up here, okay. So that is my first scenario that I'm watching now. So look for longs on the sweep of Monday low in case we start bleeding down. If we don't make it to Monday low, and instead we bleed down and, for example, bounce here, then my long trigger would simply be a break above the weekly open and the daily open, and or ideally wait for a break above Monday high, which then would also mean that we would target higher prices towards this gap above here and the monthly open. Okay, I don't really like shorting up here, since we have swept major liquidity on the higher time frames. We swept this low, and we're coming into some key support area, which is this one. As you can see, resistance, 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 then sort of flipped into support here, broke below again, all the way resistance, consolidation, support, 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 and now into that again, support. So unless this area breaks, I wouldn't be looking for shorts here, and a bounce towards some higher liquidity is more likely, in my opinion. So that's basically what I'm watching. Look for longs on the sweep of Monday low, so one more sweep, look for longs on the reclaim, and otherwise look for shorts on the reclaim of the daily and the weekly open. In case we don't and we start pumping from here, I'll probably miss out locally. If we get another range here and make a low and then go for a sweep of that low and we see strength, then I'll be looking for longs here, and otherwise I'll probably be waiting for the retest of the monthly open, look for a sweep of the highs there, and then look for shorts here, invalidation above here, and then target the consolidation up here. But for now, we're just below here, and I'm not really looking for shorts. That's only if we make it all the way back towards the monthly open. All right. So the sponsor of the video is still PrimeXBT. I have a link in the description. Feel free to check it out. Also, please leave a like on the video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my YouTube, leave a comment, all of that stuff. Okay, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.